he does it just to see if he can get away with it. Kind of like you, I think.
Yeah, but he doesn't give up very easily.
I'm also like you.
Good boy, Archie. Good boy.
What do you think of those shoes?
Good boy.
What do you think of those shoes? You're going to have so much traction. So much traction. Let's see it forward. Thank you. Flexible too. Which kind of makes it hard. Pretty flexible guy. Now we can really work on that flare.
Yeah.
Because we have something to support it. You know how he always grows that one spot right there?
Uh-huh.
You just are all about anything new, dude. I'll tell you what.
What are you doing down there?
In between my armpits.
Such a good boy,
It can't
Archie.
smell good down there.
He likes it.
I've been shoeing horses all day. It can't smell good. Shoeing horses and moving furniture.
Good boy, Arch. Alright, let's go up here. Archie's tired. It's a good hill, huh? Good job, Arch. You know, we might have to take a break at the top of the hill. We haven't ridden very hard in a few weeks. Good boy, buddy. Oh, Archie's like, oh, this is where we end up when we do that. Django's tired too. Oh, that's a good hill, huh, buddy?